Alright, there you go.
Hi, man. Do you want to be my phone?
Yes, hello. Hi. Do you sell food trucks here? Custom-made food trucks?
Yeah.
You know, I'm with a school, and we want to make a justice food truck. A food truck that's going to sell justice, like Libertad Burrito and Sentencia Sopes, Occupy Quesadilla. How much would it be to have a custom food truck made?
Well, it all depends on the equipment and the size of the truck.
Is there?
Standard trucks are about 18 feet.
Uh,
Yeah, I mean, it all depends on that.
do you give like a school discount? We're like a non-profit school.
I'm not sure. Yeah, you would have to do with the owner for them.
Oh, I see. You know, I had another question. The food trucks usually have like a logo on the side. Do you do custom logos? Because we're thinking of having maybe Che eating tacos, or Malcolm X wearing an apron eating a prison burrito, or Gandhi breaking his hunger strike eating sopes. Cesar Chavez eating grapes. Would you be able to do all that?
Yeah, I mean, we could do that.
All right. So
Yeah, we have a place that, that with the wraps, or we talk about like wraps or like morphine.
yeah, we want it all over the truck. We want to wrap all around the truck.
Yeah, I mean, pretty much we'll do that. So, all that here.
Oh, great. Okay. Well, so I guess I'll just call back then, and then when is the owner in?
Let me see if it is 1 second.
Oh yeah. Hi. Yes. I was asking about the food truck, 18-foot food truck. I'm with a non-profit charter school. We wanted to buy a food truck, and I want to know if you give school discounts, like a non-profit discount.
Well, I mean, prices are real competitive, so you will have to come in and compare prices to somebody who gives you a discount. But in other words, they're real competitive to our trucks. Something that sell like say for $80,000, somewhere else they sell them like $100,000. So if somebody gives you a discount, I don't know what kind of price. You can look at whatever price you get, and then come and tell me what they're offering you, and then I can see if I can match it or better the price.
Okay, so I'll probably stop by then, and then I'll check out what you have.
Okay, well.
Okay.
I also have a used one right now that it's also used like 5 months.
Uh huh.
And I have a you can come and look at that one as well, so you can look at that and give you the price and see.
Oh, it would be cheaper to get a used one.
Yeah, well, yeah. Look around, and then if you want to stop right here in Goodrich in Los Angeles, you can stop by and look at the one I have right now, and then if you got some quotes, you can tell me what they're offering you, and then I can see what I can build.
Okay, great. Well, thank you very much.
$80,000.
80,000, 100,000?
We can do that.
I think we could do that.
Is that
If we sell enough, yeah. You can do that.